How are you?
I'm also doing great, ma'am. What about you?
I'm also great here. First, I want to listen about you.
So this is Maliha Masud. I study in 8th standard recently. I love to know new things like enter country, my native country, enter Bangladesh, new information. If I talk my family, so there are 4 members in my family. There are my parents, me, and my brother. My parents, they are both are teachers. I have a brother. His name is Muslim Masud. He also studies 8th standard, and you'll be glad to know that we are siblings as well as we are twins. So that's it about me.
Understood. When you said that you both are studying in 8th standard, then only I came to know that you must be a twin, right? Okay, that's so sweet of you. Your name is Muwaj. Muwaj, right? And
That's
yours
right.
name?
My name is Maliha.
Maliha. So tell me, who is, means in both of you, who is the best fighter?
We are we are the best fighters. We together.
Both. You can say both of we are right.
Okay, so who is like complain to each other most of time? Who both are complaining to your mother that brother is fighting or sister is fighting, Muwaj is fighting or Maliha is fighting?
I
Yes,
must do
Maliha.
it, ma'am. Because when I see any kind of problem, then I complain my mother. I must do
All
it.
same times. Sister does this type of things. I can understand. I can relate also.
Yes, I'm
Okay, so from talking
able to know.
from where you
Sorry?
both are from where you are talking?
Oh, I have forgot to say you that we are connecting with you from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Oh my God. So it is called as I have forgotten to tell you. We three are forgot. Okay? Forget, forgot, forgotten. Okay? When you are using have, that auxiliary verb, with that always you have to use main verb as we three. Understood?
Yeah. Now we are very curious to know about you. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Thank you so much, my students, to give me that chance that I introduce myself in front of you. So the first thing that I am connecting with you from India, my origin, my country. Okay. And the next one, because main thing that we should introduce it from where we, because I was not expecting that I will connect with Bangladesh. So I introduce that I am from India. My name is Khushbu Kumari. Okay. And maybe you don't know about that place. My birthplace is Bihar in India. That is Bihar state. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Afterwards, if we'll talk about my academic qualification, I have done Master in English Literature. I have done B.Ed, and currently I am working as a senior English teacher in Bangalore.
Oh, that's
Understood?
great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I understood.
yeah, actually, ma'am, we know a little bit information about area related, especially states that Bihar, the capital of Bihar is Patna, and it's share its border with China, with you can say MP. UP and also Jharkhand and West Bengal and Bengaluru. If we talk about Bengaluru, so it is the capital city. It is also a capital.
See, Bangalore, it is in south area, south place. Okay,
Yeah,
that is the
yes,
Karnataka. Karnataka, you
we
know,
know.
from
Yes, we
Bangalore.
know.
Sorry, Karnataka,
Um,
Bangalore. Yeah.
Actually, as I
Actually, my
told you that, firstly, as I told you that we are so curious to know new information. So we know that there are 28 states in India, and we have memorized this type of name and as well the capital city.
now we have 29, not 28.
But I know 28 states. But what is the
Yeah.
accurate? I also don't know.
Now it is 29, and we have 7 union territories. Union territories in Hindi, it is called as Kendra Shastit Pradesh. Okay, tell me something about Bangladesh, because as I am Indian, so I know about India. But frankly speaking, I don't know anything about any other country. I am little dumb in all these things. So can you please tell something about Bangladesh, the capital of
Yeah,
Bangladesh?
Yeah, sure. I will tell you justly. Please have patience, ma'am. Actually, you know that the name of country is Bangladesh, and most of the people of Bangladesh speaks in Bengali. And our mother tongue and native language is Bengali as well, and English is our second language. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. There are 8 divisions, and we are from the north of Bangladesh, and it's very near to West Bengal. And there are so many tourist places is of Bangladesh, and it has also one of the largest sea beaches in the world, named Cox's Bazar Sea Beach. And especially there are so many, you can say the educational system, especially there's the best education, engineering education is BUET, named BUET, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, located in Dhaka, Bangladesh. And there is also so many institute like University, Dhaka University, Rajshahi University, Chattogram University, and in Chattogram you will get the beauty of nature.
Because if you don't take pause, you don't take full stop, you don't take exclamation sign, then how you will come to understand, how the audience will come to understand that you are aware of using punctuation marks. Okay, I hope I'm clear to you.
We got it, ma'am. We have understood.
Understood?
Yeah. So
Okay. So, your subject is English also?
Yeah, ma'am. In your country, English also a subject.
English also a subject. And what is the name of that book you preferred in English? Name of that English book, literature. Maybe it is
Oh,
different from us. Hmm.
yeah. Our textbook name is English for today.
Story. Can you tell me any story of your book?
yeah,
Uh,
actually, ma'am, truly speaking, we just get our book on 1st January. So it is 4th January. We passed only 7 days. So actually, truly speaking, we didn't read any kind of story fully. So that's why we are unable to, and we are not sure to say you any kind of story. Sorry.
It's okay, no issue. So when your session like 1 year, academic year. What is your academic year? In Bangladesh, what's the academic year?
Our academic year, 1st January. And what's your academic year in India? I forgot it. March?
Yeah, our from March to in north side we have April to March, but in south region, like in Karnataka, south region, we have from May end to March. May end June first week to March 2. But in north region we have April 1st April or 2nd April, whatever the date is given on that time, from April to March. And in
Yeah.
Bangladesh it is from January to March or January to January.
January to January.
1st January to 31st December.
Okay, 31st December means complete 1 year academic year. That is your complete 1 year. Means your
So, ma'am,
academic session starts from. Sorry, please.
I'd like to say you actually one of my father's best friend. Their house is West Bengal, so I have heard that apply month is March, 2 March. That is why we can say March.
No. In north side, it's see in Bangalore we are I am basically from north origin only, but after marriage we shifted to south region. That's why now when I joined to Bangalore school, being a teacher, so I came to know that session start in south area. We have May last or June first week to till March. That is a session
Okay.
in south. Or is
So,
north side from where I read, from where I completed my education, that is from March to March, means April to March. That is our session, 11-month session. See, in
oh,
Glad to
cities, yeah, in cultural diversities, education, so many things you can see in India. In West Bengal, that is March because it is in north side West Bengal. So that is March to April that your father's friend told. That is session in north side. But we are now I am in north. That's why my session is my son he is studying in LKG. His session start from 14th June and now it will end till March. That is our
oh,
session here.
Glad to
Yeah.
know it, ma'am. Information I have known to you. And one question I'd like to ask you that what do you do apart from this conversation to enhance your spoken English?
Well, to enhance my spoken English, I'm here. I'm connecting with you people, like star people. See,
Okay.
because
So, ma'am,
please.
could you please tell me that for 10th class in your side, in your Bangalore, so how many subjects exist for a 10th class student?
For 10th student, I will tell you each and every subject. Okay, and then you count how many subjects we have. If you'll talk
Sure.
about Bangalore, okay, we don't have Sanskrit. In north side, we have Sanskrit also, Hindi also. But in Bangalore, we have English, science, social science, maths. Apart from these four subjects, we have Kannada and Hindi, computer. How many subjects did I say?
7.
Seven subjects we have
But
count.
but
Eight, eight.
isn't there any kind of subject like physics, chemistry, math, like the biology, like this?
Uh-huh. In science, these three came. These three included in science only. Physics, chemistry, and biology that came under science. Yeah. If you will go to 11th, 12th, that is intermediate. Okay. So in intermediate, you have choice that you want to pursue with physics, chemistry, or either physics, chemistry, biology. There you have
But in
choice in 11th, 12th. Yes, plus two. After 10th, you have the options to choose science history, commerce history, and arts history. Three
I'm saying
streams
that
we
in
have.
10th, I'm
Hmm.
saying that
oh,
in 10th, then we get any kind of opportunity to study separately, like science, arts, and commerce.
No, no, no. In 10th, we don't have any choice.
in
Oh,
in our
10th,
country, you'll be glad to know, ma'am, that it is so different. Like in ninth standard or 10th standard, we have to choose that what subject we will take, like science, commerce, or arts. So then we have to choose that I will take science like this. That is why we're asking you.
no, no, no. We have to choose when we'll pass 10th exam. That is our board. In board, we have to read all the subjects. In science only we have physics, chemistry, biology. In social science we have history, political science, geography, economics. This all comes under social science. Hindi, in Kannada, in Sanskrit we don't have in Bangalore. As I know, as per my knowledge, in Bangalore we don't have Sanskrit. In some of the schools they are providing Sanskrit subject, but where I used to teach, there we don't have Sanskrit. We have Kannada and Hindi. Kannada is their regional language and Hindi is their national language. Not national language, it is official language. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Intermediate, we have option to choose physics, chemistry. As when I was in intermediate, I had chosen physics, chemistry, maths, and physical education, Hindi. Let me choose 6 subject. Yeah.
So one more else I'd like.
Sorry, I think it was mute. Pardon? Uh, I'm unable to listen you Muwaj anything.
Yeah,
I
can you
don't know.
understand me?
Nah, yeah, I can listen to
What
you.
else I'd like to say, ma'am, that my father is a professor for physics subject.
Oh my God, then I should be scared of your father because I was very poor in physics. That's why
Okay.
you won't. Yeah, I was literally very poor in physics. I got least marks in physics only. I was very bright student. In 10th, I got A plus. In 12th, also I chose science. Okay, I will pursue my again means next education, other education only in English. After enter my stream, I choose an arts, and in arts, I choose English honors. Afterwards, everything I have done only in English. So since very
Okay, so
beginning, I please.
okay, so ma'am, if you don't mind, can we hang up this phone for today? Because we have talked more than 20 minutes.
Okay, okay, no issue. Please. Thanks for connecting with me and may God bless you. Wishing you the very good Happy New Year.
so much. Happy New Year to